$5,000 a month. No code, no team, just automation systems you set up once and get paid for over and over. I'm going to show you the exact 3 businesses that work right now, the tools, the prices you charge, and the steps to build each one. The third one is the one I actually run, and it pays the most for the least work. And here's what nobody tells you. You don't need an audience, you don't need a product, and you don't need to be technical. You need to solve one boring problem for businesses that have money. That's it. Let's go. First business, AI lead generation systems. This is the easiest one to sell because every business on earth wants more customers. Here's the workflow. You use a tool called Apify or Apollo to scrape leads. Say you target dentists in Phoenix. Apollo lets you filter by industry, location, and company size, then export a list of 2,000 contacts with verified emails in about 3 minutes. Now you plug that list into Instantly or SmartLead. These are cold email tools that warm up your inbox automatically so you don't land in spam. You write 3 email variations, load your list, and the tool sends 50 emails a day per inbox, spaced out like a human. But here's the AI part. You connect OpenAI through Make.com. That's a no-code automation platform, drag and drop, no programming. You build a flow that takes each lead's company website, pulls the homepage text, and writes a personalized first line for every single email. Saw you just opened a second location on Camelback Road. That one line triples your reply rate. You charge businesses $1,500 to $2,000 a month to run this for them. For clients, and you're at $6,000. The whole system takes a weekend to build and runs on autopilot after that. You're just managing replies and booking calls. Real numbers, 1,000 emails a week, 2 to 4% reply, that's 20 to 40 conversations a month. Plenty to keep a client happy. Second business, AI content repurposing. This one's perfect if you hate sales. Every coach, podcaster, and founder records long videos and does nothing with them. They're sitting on gold and wasting it. You turn one video into 30 pieces of content. Here's exactly how. Client sends you a 1-hour podcast. You drop it into Opus Clip or Vizard. These tools scan the video, find the most viral moments, and automatically cut them into short clips with captions. 10 clips in about 10 minutes. No editing skills. Then you take the transcript and run it through Claude or ChatGPT with a saved prompt. Your prompt says, turn this transcript into 5 LinkedIn posts, 3 Twitter threads, and 1 newsletter in this person's voice. You feed it 2 of their old posts so it matches their tone. Output in 2 minutes. Now automate the delivery. You build a Make.com scenario. When the client drops a video in a shared Google Drive folder, it triggers the transcription, sends it to the AI, and drops all the finished content into a Notion board they can approve. They wake up to a week of content done. You charge $800 to $1,200 a month per client. 5 clients, mostly automated, and you're past 5,000. Each client takes you maybe 2 hours a week once the system is built. The trick nobody does, niche down. Don't say content repurposing. Say, I turned fitness coaches' podcasts into a month of Instagram content. Specific gets paid. Now the third one. This is what I actually run, and it's the highest margin because once it's built, the client basically can't leave. AI customer support and inbound automation. Businesses are drowning in repetitive questions. What are your hours? Where's my order? Do you offer refunds? Their team wastes hours on this every day. You build them an AI agent that answers it all. Here's the build. You use a tool called Chatbase or VoiceFlow. You upload the client's website, their FAQ doc, their refund policy, their product pages, just drag the files in. The tool reads everything and builds a chatbot trained on their exact business in about 15 minutes. No code, I promise. Then you embed it on their site with 1 line of copy-paste code they give you. Now the bot answers customers instantly, 24/7, in the client's tone. But here's where you make real money. You don't stop at answering questions. You make the agent take action. Using Make.com, you connect the bot so that when a customer says, I want to book a call, it checks the client's calendar and books it. When someone asks about an order, it pulls the status from their Shopify store and replies with tracking. The bot isn't just talking, it's doing the work a support rep does. That's the difference between a $50 chatbot and a $2,000 a month system. Concrete example. I set one up for an e-commerce store doing about 40 support emails a day. After the agent went live, it handled 70% of those automatically. The owner got 8 hours a week back. He pays me $1,800 a month and considers it a bargain because hiring a part-time rep would cost 3 times that. 3 clients on this model, and you're at 5,000+ with almost no ongoing work. You check in monthly, update the FAQ, tweak the prompt. That's it. Now let me save you from the mistakes everyone makes. Mistake 1, building before selling. Don't spend a month perfecting a system nobody asked for. Message 10 businesses today. Offer to build one for free or cheap as your first case study. Then use that result to charge full price. Proof closes deals. Mistake 2. Charging hourly. You're selling outcomes, not time. Once it's automated, hourly pricing punishes you for being efficient. Charge a flat monthly retainer. Always. Mistake 3. Trying to do all 3 at once. Pick one. Get one client. Get them a result. Then scale that before you touch anything else. And here's the mindset shift that actually matters. You're not selling AI. Clients don't care about AI. They care about more leads, more time, less stress. Sell the result. The AI is just how you deliver it. How to find clients fast. Go where they complain. Local business Facebook groups, LinkedIn, Reddit. Search for people saying, I'm so behind on emails, or I need more clients. Then message them with a specific offer, not a pitch. I build a system that books you 5 sales calls a week on autopilot. Want to see how it works? Pick your business. Today, open Make.com or Chatbase, build a rough version, and send 3 messages before you go to bed. Done beats perfect. If this gave you a real plan, subscribe. I drop one no-fluff AI business breakdown every single day, and missing them is missing money. Tomorrow I'm showing you the exact cold message script that booked me 11 clients last month. Word for word, copy and paste. You don't want to miss that one. Now go build.